Hello everybody, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today's kasiloose is a very special kasiloose. I'll be doing a kasiloose treatment to some of my collection, as you can see before, but I will not be doing all because I've put a poll asking you guys which one do you think deserve more to be kasiloose. Yes, it is. Since in Malaysia is under the restricted movement order, not a full lockdown, fortunately, means that you can still go out, but only doing the necessary things like buying food stuff and all that. If not, have to stay at home. Yup, this is a very trying time due to COVID-19. So hopefully everybody's okay from where you are. Yeah, there we go. So first, going to show you those who didn't, how should I say it? The cars that will not be kasiloose for today. Yes, it is. I'm going to show you what you have been, why you didn't put it in the poll, why you didn't pick it. But so first one is the Skyline S7. Look at that. Look at the wheels there, wow. But you didn't pick this. It's not in the top 2. The Toyota Celica. Guys, look at that. The Johnny Lightning Z car. Look how nice is that. But you guys didn't pick this, so off to the side. The revealers, we're still not knowing what's the car inside. Yup, let's pick this. Not in the top 2. Muscle Machine, look at that, how big is the cut there. Muscle Machine, 2002 Acura RSX Type S. And Mercedes C-Class. How nice is that? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Awesome. So these 4 are the top 2 that you guys pick for a kasiloose treatment. First off, we're going for this one, the Siku Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport. So for those who didn't have the Hot Wheels Bugatti Veyron, Siku has got one, and a little bit cheaper because the price are crazy for the Hot Wheels. So there you go. Look at that. That is nice. Of course, the Hot Wheel one has the top, so this is more like a convertible, but that is beautiful. Let's take a closer look. Silver, metal, plastic base, silver and blue, rubber tires. Now that is nice. Look at that. There's the interior. Quite detailed interior. Yup. Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport. Let's focus a bit. Awesome. That's the first one. Next is the Volkswagen Brasilia. This is a 2015 Hot Wheels Holiday Hot Rods, right? You can see that, Holiday Hot Rods 2015, debut in 2011, and so far I think there's a seven casting for this car so far. The last one is this one, the 2015 Volkswagen Brasilia. I'm not very familiar with this car, so kasiloose. Oh my god, sorry. See that? That's what happened with kasiloose. Everything flying around. Oops. That's a Volkswagen Brasilia. Is it only available in Brazil? I have no idea, but this is quite a unique casting. Very interesting. Let's take a closer look. Gold. Look at that. That is superb. With a green interior and has a roll cage. Look at that. Has a roll cage there. Yep. Nice. You guys can comment on the history of this model. I haven't seen this one in Malaysia actually. Volkswagen Brasilia. Nice. Nice. Two down, two to go. Yep. And no surprise, everybody's favorite, the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. This is a 2014 card, right? 2014 card. Look at that. Yep. No idea how much does it worth now, but hey, you want it kasiloose? I do the kasiloose. R34. Look at that. Tail lights, side decors, nothing on the front there. PR5. Wow. Yep. This is lovely. Taking closer look. Not sure how much the price is for the R34. Nice. Awesome. So the spoiler is part of the body. So is it made in Malaysia 2009. There's a bucket seat. You can see that. Bucket seat on the interior, which is nice. Look at the back there. Wow. Everybody's favorite, the R34. Yep. Debuting in 2010, is it? Yeah, 2010, the R34, and the last one, the Ferrari 575 GTC realistic Hot Wheels. So this is the debut 2005 first edition debut of this casting, and it's no more already. Yup, no more Ferrari under Hot Wheels. Kasiloose. You want kasiloose? I'll get you kasiloose. Don't know how much the the price now for this car. What the? Now this is weird. How can I do the kasiloose? See that? Ah. Come on, get it out. Get it out. Yes. So it's 2005. They're building this casting. The Ferrari 575 GTC. Wow, that's wonderful. Look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Been my favorite Ferrari so far. Yep. Look at that. The spoiler is different. Metal base, metal body. Different interior. Look at that. That's a Ferrari, Hot Wheels, Team 575, Pirelli, PR5, plastic headlights. Oh, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. Yeah. Wow. You have to open it up to fully appreciate it. Look at that. There's a Hot Wheels, which is part of the interior. Wow. Only one rivet. This is awesome. Definitely, this is awesome. So I believe there's a variant on the rims there. There's the PR5, which is this one, and a 10 spoke. So if you guys want to collect it, so this is made in Malaysia. Metal base. This is my metal base. Awesome. Awesome. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, definitely. But there you go. Top 2 of your choice for kasiloose. Great choice, by the way. Great choice. So what you guys think? I believe this car is awesome. This car is awesome. And the headlights, yup, you guys know me, I love plastic headlights. So if you haven't subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want, give a thumbs up. Yes it is. So take care of yourself and each other. We're going to get through this COVID-19 outbreak. Yes it is. Bye.